Hey guys, I'm back again and today we will be unboxing the latest addition to the Vivo V series, the Vivo V19. So let's open up this box and check out what's inside. Okay, let's see what's in the box. First thing we're getting is its phone case, some manuals, and of course its charging cable. We also have the phone, obviously. This is in sleek silver. Ta-da! Very pretty, but let's talk about this later. Other than that, we have a pair of earphones and a 33-watt charger. So basically, you won't have to worry about needing a long time to charge the V19. So this is the Vivo V19. It has a 6.44-inch Super AMOLED display, and as you can see, the bezels are equally narrow except for its slightly thicker chin. But what I first noticed is its dual front camera that kind of reminded me of Wall-E's eyes. Now moving on, it has a USB-C charging port, it has a speaker grill, and on this side it's 2020 but we're still getting a headphone jack. Now here we get its volume rocker, a power button, and on the other side we get its SIM card tray. As for its internal specs, the Vivo V19 is powered by a Snapdragon 712 chipset. It has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Plus, it has a huge 4500 mAh battery that supports 33-watt Vivo Flash Charge 2.0. So basically, if your phone is at 0%, you just need half an hour to get it up to 54%. That's really fast. The V19 now ships with FunTouch OS 10 based on Android 10, and I really like it because the control center that used to be on the bottom is now accessible from the top just like every other Android phone. Finally, cameras. Now there's 4 lenses on its back. You get a 48-megapixel main camera, an 8-megapixel super wide angle sensor, a 2-megapixel macro lens, and another 2-megapixel bokeh lens. While on the front, you'll be getting a 2-megapixel selfie lens and another 8-megapixel lens that will allow you to take super wide angle selfies with your friends. So I've taken some photos with the V19, but you'll notice that the watermark says Vivo 1933. That's because the system hasn't updated yet, but once it's updated, the watermark will change to Vivo V19. One of the best features on the V19 is called Super Night Selfie. So it lets you take really nice selfie even when you're in low light situations. Basically, when it senses that your environment is really dark, it uses this thing called backlight HDR to brighten up your pictures so you still get really pretty selfies. Taking night shots with the V19 is impressive too. With its night mode on, you get more details and better color accuracy in addition to it being brighter and clearer. Moving on to its daytime photography, the colors are actually pretty similar to what we see in real life, but the camera tends to overexpose the brighter parts of the picture. Now for its super wide angle photos, the color accuracy remains the same, but it is slightly darker compared to the normal photos. What I love most is its macro lens because it can capture really tiny subjects but still keep all the details. Now, Vivo almost never disappoints me when it comes to its selfies. With its dual front camera, I get to take selfies with more details at the background now. Plus, with its beauty mode, I always get smooth skin in my selfies. As for its portrait mode, I really like that its bokeh effect is natural, but it can sometimes blur out the edges of my hair, especially when my hair is curly and sometimes messy. And that's it for the unboxing and first impression of the Vivo V19. My personal favorite features are its unique design and also its selfie camera, of course. Now I don't have the price yet when I'm shooting this video, but it will be in the description box down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to our channel KLGadgetTV, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!